Hi everyone, so before I jump straight into the question, let's just have a look at some rules of indices we will need to apply to answer the question. So, the first rule is a to the power of n in brackets to the power of m, and this is equal to a to the power of n multiplied by m. And our second rule is a to the power of m over n equals the nth root of a in brackets to the power of m. Now, if you'd just like to pause the video and read through the question. So, for part A, the method is to try and get the base the same, or the base of the power the same. So we have 6 on the left hand side and 36 on the right hand side. So we need to, or can look for the highest common factor between 6 and 36, which is 6. So we can write 36 is equal to 6 times 6, or we can write this as 36 equals 6 squared. So we can just write here 6 to the power of y plus 1 is equal to 36 to the power of x minus 2. So since we know 36 is equal to 6 squared, we can replace 36 by 6 squared. So 6 to the power of y plus 1 is equal to 6 squared in brackets to the power of x minus 2. So using our rule from before, we know that if we have a number to the power of, let's just say n, in brackets to the power of m, we have to multiply these powers together. So we can write here 6 to the power of 2 times x, 2x, 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And now that we have the bases the same, we can look at the powers alone. So y plus 1 equals 2x minus 4. And we can rearrange this equation to make y the subject. So y equals, and the way to do this is to subtract by 1 from both sides of the equation. So we have 2x minus 5. And the question says to express y in the form ax plus b. So y equals 2x minus 5, where a equals 2 and b equals minus 5. So now for part B, we need to find the value of 4 to the power of x minus a half y. Now to do this, we need to use our equation for y in part A, and we need to substitute that into this expression. So this becomes 4, or this equals 4 to the power of x minus half in brackets 2x minus 5. And we can just multiply this out, so we get minus a half times 2x, which is minus x, minus a half times minus 5 is plus 5 over 2. We can now simplify this, so 4 to the power of x minus x is 0, and we're left with 5 over 2. So 4 to the power of 5 over 2. Now, using our rule from before, a to the power of m over n equals the nth root of a in brackets to the power of m. So our n is 2, and our m is 5. So we can write this as square root of 4 in brackets to the power of 5. And we know that the square root of 4 is 2, and this is to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. And that's it. Thank you.